Prepare front fender and headlight. Install the bracket. Temporarily secure this nut at the hole on the frame front fork. Keep the nut secured. Then install the headlight and front fender, and fasten them with screws. Tighten the screws with the multi-tool from the tool kit. Secure the back fender fork adapter to the front fork tube, and fasten the metal bracket at the front fender at the same time. Remove the screws and gaskets on both sides of the rear wheel. Keep the removed nuts and gaskets properly. Remove rear wheel. Take off 2 screws of the rear wheel. Remove the rear wheel carefully and watch the position of the chain. Prepare 4 sets of screws with gaskets. Secure the 4 screws with gaskets on the rear frame and tighten them with the multi-tool. Install the upper screws first, and don't forget the gaskets. Then fasten the screws on the left and right brackets. Finally, install the front screws. Remember to tighten the screws with tools. Reinstall the rear wheel and adjust the chain position properly. Reassemble the nuts with gaskets on both sides of the frame. Follow the same steps on the other side. Reconnect the disconnected wires. Fix the wires at the hook position. Secure the wires to the frame with cable ties. The fender installation is finished. You may proceed with assembling the whole vehicle.